she not like. Oh, she's so easy for disrespect people. She the first one to always come out and talk about woman empowerment. She the first one to always come out, come talk about who she black. She the one who always come out, come say people bad mind her and people grudge her. And that's why them say this and say that. But she always quick for disrespect other people. My problem with the Red Bull class thing was there. Spice I got come out and she disrespect Mavado. People remember, for clarification, me and Mavado are a friend. So this has nothing to do with friendship. She disrespect Busy Signal too. Over some dub plate thing. Now my thing is this. If you have Team Jamaica, which was Spice Army, the big question is, Spice, did you call Mavado and ask him to be a part of Spice Army? Yes or no? Now, if the answer is no, if the next team reach out to Mavado and pay him to come make an appearance to feed them team, oh, you go vex. Oh, you go vex for that. Remember, you know, if Team Jamaica na call you, but one next team a call you and a pay you, remember Mavado a big artist. So for them call him, and him fly from over here, go over the money spend. Cause them man they love money. Them man in a job catch and them man they love money. So me sure and a free Mavado go over there for. So oh you go come out and blatantly disrespect the man's up on the mic. Over business where you would have do worse than that. And Uno never call him. Then if me are the fastest man and I run in the world and Jamaica na call me for them team, and one different country call me and say come put your talent to use, so I pay you on top of it. Eh? Tell me now. Next thing again, dub plate. If the man them pay a Busy Signal for do a dub plate, oh you fear cost Busy Signal? Oh you for cost Busy Signal? Because the dub plate for the next one. And I talk about you a different culture. Grace Hamilton, Spice. You can't pick and choose when to defend the culture. You can't pick and choose when to be morally correct for the culture. Spice, are you go to LGBTQ show and never care about the culture? Spice, disgraceful Hamilton, remember say I saw me name.